to vlogmas day 21. I'm about to head out. I don't know how this just happened, but I got a $50 Instacart order, so I'm about to go around the corner and do this. It's like 40 something items. I'll have it on the screen. I was able to get a screenshot, so people must not have been on the app for real, if I was able to get a screenshot and take it. I do have to go to an apartment for one, but honestly, I don't care. Yeah, so after I knock this out, I think my boo should be here and I have to do something with him. And then after that, coming back home and work some more. Bro, I just accepted the order a couple minutes ago. They talking about something. We recommend you leaving soon. I'm about to leave. Do not rush me. Gotta put my coat on so I don't be out here cold. This is how we starting off the day. I need to go grocery shopping myself, bro. All right, and we are out of here. I will see y'all in the car. So I just got called wonderful by the lady, but I only have one more item to find and then I'm out of here. I think I've only been here for like 47 minutes, maybe 49 now. But this is everything. And I only had to do one refund so far. Out of the store, that went really good. I was talking to one of the customers while I was doing the order. She was very nice. I think she's the older lady because she was talking about her granddaughter. I'm about to go ahead and drop off to her first. And then the second customer. And then, I don't know. I might go home. I gotta go out there. Okay. All right, we are 7 minutes away, 2.5 miles from the first drop off. I had to refund 2 items. And I don't understand what's wrong with these workers. Maybe they don't want to be at work around the holidays, but they are so rude. Like, I'm walking up, you know, saying hello, being nice, and they're literally not saying anything back. Ooh. 222. I've been seeing a lot of angel numbers as of lately, but they've been so freaking rude. Like, baby, like I said yesterday, I don't know you, you don't know me. Don't give me no attitude, because I know when I walk up, I make sure I speak. I'm very nice and polite, and they just been so rude. Like, girl, you might not want to be here, but you can at least speak back. But let me go ahead and be on my way to drop this off. Y'all can see I'm back in the house, just chilling, watching some TV. That order ended up being $50.05, so it just went down some change. So we still got the 50. That was an easy order, I'm not gonna lie. So I decided to come back in the house because why not? Plus, on DoorDash is not busy right now. There's no orders on Instacart right now, so if something pops up, then I'll go back outside. But until then, I'm about to study some more. I was studying last night before I fell asleep, so I'm about to go ahead and take these tests over. I gotta get the app that I can use to study, so that I can actually study some more, because right now I can only study 3 tests, but it's way more questions than that. So I gotta find out what app everybody be using so that I can really study and be prepared to take the test sometime next month. I'm gonna force myself to stay up because I've been taking naps literally every day, and it's honestly annoying. I'm tired of taking naps. They don't do me no good when I wake up and I'm still tired, so I don't want to take a damn nap. I'm not taking a nap today. And I might bet on some games tonight. I bet on the game last night I did like, I think $8. Wait, let me see. No, I did $6 on the game last night to win over $70, right? I did a 4 same game parlay, right? Tell me why everything except for one person hit. I got everything else except for one person, so I couldn't get the money. Like, literally one person. I'm just now checking it because I was so mad. because that was the first game that ended and he only got 15 points. I needed him to get 20 and he only got 15. And I was looking at his stats and the man usually getting over 20. So why the hell you couldn't get over 20 last night? Like, bro, that's wild. But yeah, I'm finna go ahead and get to studying so that we can have a great year next year. Great 2023. Doing something new that's gonna bring in some real money, some big money, okay? I'm honestly excited. I'm a little nervous. I'm a little nervous because it's something very different, but I'm excited and I know that I'll do great because anything that I get into, I do great. Maybe not all the time, but you know, I do great. I'll definitely be taking y'all along on that journey. Hopefully y'all stick around because it really is something different. This is why I'm in love. Like, we forever thinking the same thing. I'm so hungry now. I didn't even eat any breakfast. And he just texted me a couple minutes ago talking about he thinking about canes. Of course, I'm always down to eat. It might not look like it, but we gonna get that together. I'm happy. Gonna get some food. This is a great day. Today is going so great. Like,
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I grew beside, all the niggas round me, right and they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one really, it's a screenshot.
I'm back in my city. Oh my gosh. I am a driver. I'm a real driver. Let my boo sleep because he was telling me how he didn't get no sleep at all last night or today. So I let him sleep and I drove there and of course back. So I did not even go home. Like, I'm literally just getting back here. I didn't even stop by the house. I passed by my house, kept going. About to see if I can do some DoorDash. I do have on Instacart. I could do an Instacart order, but I'll be honest, these ain't really like selling me. So I'm finna see if DoorDash talking about anything. I've only seen one order since I've been here and they talking about it's busy. They always say it's busy and it's not. They be lying. Today has been a great day. I think this is probably one of the best days I done had this week. I got paid today from YouTube. Then I got that $50 order. I got to see my boo and spend a little bit of time with him, laugh and talk. One thing I learned since I've been dealing with him, especially this year. We've been dealing with each other for some years now, but this year I learned that I'm clingy as fuck. Like, I'm very clingy. Like, I just always want to be around him. So that definitely made my day, just talking to him and seeing him and being able to hug and touch him. Oh yeah, we got an order and my tubes, I got a notification I think like an hour or two ago. My tubes are here, so once I get home I'm gonna pack those orders up and come back out and drop them off so they can have their stuff. Yeah, that's about it. Then I had some good food. Like, he got me the 4-piece this time. Instead of coleslaw, I got a extra slice of bread. And let me show y'all, because I actually ate a good amount of my food. And I was like, are you proud of me? I normally don't finish my food. I end up eating it later. This is all that I have left. That food that I showed y'all earlier, I ate. And we did split the bread. He had asked for 2 pieces of bread, but they didn't give it to him. So we did split one of the breads, but everything else I ate. So weight gain journey finna be in full effect. Just watch how I gain my weight back, because we're not finna be stressed or depressed in 2023, and we just gonna be eating. We ain't gonna, you know, be out here bad body, but we're gonna be eating and working out. so that it can look right. I can't stress enough how proud I am of myself. Like, can y'all really believe that I posted, well, this will be 21, so I'm gonna just say 21. Can y'all believe I posted 21 days in a row, back to back? Every video has went up on the correct day. Like, I haven't had any late videos, almost, but I still was able to get them up. Every time I upload, after I upload my video, I always just go back and look at my videos. I'm like, wow, bro, this is crazy. Like, time is really moving fast, but I really did that. Like, what? I really filmed and uploaded every single day. So we got 4 more days to go, and I'm trying to debate if I want to do like 3 more videos. Depends, because I'm honestly tired, but who knows? I could upload on the 27th, the 29th, and the 31st. So y'all may get 3 extra videos this month, but do not hold me to that. I said might. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I do got some stuff that I could do though, but we'll see. But anyways, if I get an order, then I'll come back and we'll just be working. If not, then y'all will see me in the house. I'm about to go ahead and pack up these 2 orders. This is the first order. This was a part of the order from last week that got shipped out. If you haven't checked out the video, make sure you check it out. I have it on the screen. She ordered 20 wand tubes. They finally arrived today, so I'm about to go ahead and pack it up and get it dropped off tonight. Then I also got another order today. This customer, I want to say she's a returning customer. I saw her name before. She ordered the holiday bundle, the last holiday bundle. So I'm about to go ahead and pack both of these up, and then we gonna drop them off at the post office. Okay, I did not feel like putting up my tripod and stuff, so this time I'm about to pack the order. So got the wand tubes wrapped up, protected. Can't forget these. I have my printer turned on right now. And that's what that noise is. Alright, so 14.4. And here is the bundle. Okay, y'all definitely can't see anything, but I'm just highlighting the packing slips. Got the shipping labels printed out.